These are some of the lip combos that you need to try this winter holiday season, Christmas season, perfect for this winter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Let's dive straight in. As you know, I am doing vlogmas. That means I am doing a video every single day. We're not missing no video. Yeah, so today we're gonna be trying these lip combos. They're gonna be 5 of them. Some of them you've seen on the past videos. Products that we're gonna be using are things that you probably already have in your kit. Find something that is similar. You don't have to have the exact same thing as me. Makeup is art. Always experiment. So let's get right into it. Cherry Cola lip combo, which is basically brown, black and red gloss. I'm gonna be using my NYX in the shade Monte color to make the combos and the gloss. These are the main things: a gloss, black liner, brown liquid lip, or it could be your brown liner with a black liner. You could use a brown liner. Going in with that red. Going in with a brighter red. Then with a gloss. So this is the Cherry Cola lip combo. You can also just wear this matte, but I like glossy lips, guys. So, and you can just down on the black if you want it a little lighter. If it's like messy, just get a translucent powder or your normal baking powder and just go around the edges with the powder puff. So I've been wearing this lip combo a lot. I just love it. Like I say, most of these lips you can do the matte if you're really into matte lipstick, but because I'm into gloss and I'm doing it for all my girls that like the gloss, I'm gonna be going in with the lip shape. I'm gonna first line and then I'm going in with my warm nude from Lip Shape from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna blend that together. A clear gloss. This is the Pumpkin Spice lip combo. I recently did it on my emerald green holiday inspired makeup tutorial. Perfect for darker skin tones, perfect for skin tones as long as you know how to go about it. Just go light on the hands if you're more fairer than me. I'm a dark skin baby, so I have to use some things that are darker. Absolutely love this look. It's more on a lighter side. Still, I'm going to be going in with my black liner. Revolution, it's called Chauffeur Nude. It's more of like a nudie, like a pinkish nude. Even though it's glossy, I still am gonna put more gloss because I love a good glossy lip. So this is more of a nudie tone, but I still think it's a perfect winter lip look that you can try if you're dark skinned like me. I will leave every product that I use in the description below, so please be sure to just check that. So this is an all brown lip combo, if I should say, but mixed with black. So using my, and I'm putting it all over and with the black liner. You could wear this like this and that's it, but you know me. This is a brown lip combo. Actually goes with this eyeshadow, right? it actually goes together. Last but not least, we are doing a more of a purpley lip combo that's got gloss in it, and I'm going in with my Transylvania from NYX, and this is going to be mixed with a bit of purple, so I'm using this. Then I'm gonna go in with a black at the end. I'm gonna go in with a black, and I'm actually using a lip liner, a lilac color. Clear gloss. So blending is key when it comes to these lip combos, because if you do not blend, they're not gonna come out good. So make sure you blend well. Blending, use a lip liner brush like this, or use your lips, but you always have to go back with the lip brush. That's why these are there. So these are my, we had the cherry cola, pumpkin spice, the nude, then the brown lip combo, and the purple lip combo. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to try them. Let me know which one was your favorite, and are you gonna try them? Are they too much for you? Because I know not everybody, some people just like to stick to their red lipstick, but I love art. Makeup is art, and I like to experiment. I like to have fun with it, and I hope you guys do too. You know, sometimes come out your comfort zone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.